In this video, you're going to see an experimental idea on how to create a light-based air gap between any device and a flipper zero. I wanted to see how far I could push a simple concept inspired by the YouTube studio using the AI vibe coding style with Claude. The goal is to send a message from an air gap system, meaning this system is not connected to anything, no network, no wire, nothing. And I will be using light only, then I will capture it, transform it, and decode on the Flipper Zero. For the hardware, there is two parts. The receiving part is composed by, obviously, the Flipper Zero, a LM393 light sensor module, and I need, obviously, jumper wires. And the sending part here is either composed for my first attempt from an Android phone, but it could be basically anything sending lights. So you will see later in the video, I even used a ThinkPad LED as a second light source. At first, I wanted to decode real Morse message directly, meaning sending hello word. But I realized I will hit synchronization issue. Sending letter by letter with like a quite significant stop or pause, you name it, is okay. I don't have any issue. But if I send several letters at once here, like hello, then I encounter issue while trying to decode the message with the Flipper Zero. Then I decided to do a kind of workaround. It's quick and dirty. I used a custom two-symbol alphabet because E is only a dot and M is a dash. So a long light here in Morse. So it's way simpler, more stable, and easy to decode. Well, simpler, I don't know, but the example encoding I chose here for hello is the following. So for H, 4 times E 1 time, L will be EM double E, L, etc., and O, etc. It's encoded. Then it's still a readable message, but timing safe for me. I will catch more or less when it started, and then I could, if I want, then decode it with another computer, something like that, because the file is saved on the flipper. So quick lesson learned and outro of this video. So obviously most applications rely on different time signal interval. That was really the deal breaker for my application and quick win video about it. So I still wanted to share the kind of idea I had here because I found it was quite fun for me. Then, yeah, hardware limitation, I will say here using the sensor make me relying on short distance to transmit something. And yeah, so it's not like kind of a spy military level type of stuff we could, but I've noticed there are some videos where you could still use the LID from like a disk drive or even some IO LED LED that are on some laptops or computer towers. Then here's a workaround. Yeah, I know it's quick and dirty. Definitely it's not something that could be used, but like I said earlier, it's just proof of concept for fun. And yeah, I was really amazed what I've could been able to do with Claude so quick. So thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed or if you made any other like experiment with Claude and the Flipper Zero, I'm curious to learn about them. Thank you.